we're gonna be taking off these weird looking antennas on the Kaewell tuono 660 and installing this pretty cool sweet mirrors. It's just much slicker to me. So let's go ahead and take a look. First thing first, this bolt comes off. This thing twists off. It's just a plastic rubber cap. And if you're trying to move it up, move it up, you should be unscrewing this bolt underneath. This guy comes off, and same thing over there, but I gotta make sure that this is not too tight when I apply it. But let's go ahead and start doing this real quick. First thing first, just this bolt right here goes in and it twists off. That's literally it. And then this guy, we'll get to it. So we're installing the Kaewell motorcycle mirror sight on the tuono 660. So far I've taken off the other board already. I'm going to show you my progress so far. It looks pretty good on the motorcycle though. So here we are, so much better looking. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty hard to take off. You need a size 4 hexagon on a cobalt bolt. There were so many hexagon types, of course, and I had a kind of a hard time figuring out which one was the right size. But you gotta like hold on to this real tight, and eventually it would open. So yeah, the same hexagon. You take off that piece. That comes off. You don't need that either. All you need is the bolt and the black piece, which mounts onto this guy over here, right there. So don't tighten the screw till you're ready to tighten it. But don't tighten the mirror till you're ready. It should look about like this. And there we go. This looks way much better in my opinion. And the nice thing about that, if you want a lane split, you can put it this way, and you can invert it if you want to look on the other side. That's it. There's no more antenna sticking outside. It's a pretty nice, sexy bike in my opinion. If you want to flip it upside down, it just looks more aggressive to me. My next modification will probably be the tail license plate, reducing the angle and getting an aftermarket exhaust, and little by little, one thing at a time. I like this better than the alien looking previous glass mirror that I had, and I would just store it in the back, and I'm gonna get some cap to close this. It's just a hole, nothing going through it, but just want to keep the back as clean as possible, and hopefully this helps.